On scene today, we've seen a lot more law enforcement activity than yesterday. Deputies have been here at Nancy Guthrie's house all day, but still no suspects as day 8 for the search for Nancy Guthrie comes to a close. Deputies returned to the home of 84-year-old Nancy Guthrie Sunday morning and made their way to the backyard. Drone camera video captured what appears to be investigators searching through a septic tank. In front of Guthrie's house, deputy vehicles remain on standby to keep the news crews off the property. They even responded to a trespassing call earlier in the day. But among the bustle of news crews were a few residents wanting to do something.
I came out here with a friend to bring flowers out here for the Guthrie family.
More candles and flowers are beginning to grow around the driveway that a week ago became a crime scene.
Tucson is a beautiful, nice, calm city, and for something like this to happen, it's horrible, horrific.
But as the city grapples with Guthrie's tragic disappearance, their faith for a safe return still burns bright.
We will get her back. We will get her back good and healthy and fine.
Ruiz hopes that his first step of bringing flowers to this display will encourage others to do the same.
Former Hong Kong media mogul and longtime critic of China, Jimmy Lai, has been sentenced to 20 years in prison. In December, he was found guilty of sedition and 2 counts of colluding with foreign forces. Now, collusion here in Hong Kong, under the Beijing-imposed national security law, is a very serious crime, punishable by up to life in prison. Jimmy Lai earlier had pleaded not guilty to all the charges. Now, in December, the 3 judges presiding over the case and convicted Jimmy Lai, they called him a, quote, mastermind of conspiracies. They pointed out his lobbying of U.S. politicians during President Donald Trump's first term, as well as how he used his empire, namely his Apple Daily newspaper, to call for international sanctions against China and Hong Kong during the 2019 protests. Now, this has been the most high-profile national security case since the law was imposed by Beijing on Hong Kong in 2020. It has been roundly criticized by Western governments. The U.S. and other countries have called for the release of Jimmy Lai. In fact, U.S. President Donald Trump reportedly pressed Chinese leader Xi Jinping to free Jimmy Lai during their talks last year. Now, China has repeatedly warned against any interference, and Hong Kong has insisted that Jimmy Lai has received a fair trial.
We've all seen those Boston Dynamics videos showing their robots running and dancing, but with this latest one, I feel like now they're just showing off. The company shared a clip of their Atlas robot pulling off a cartwheel and backflip combo that would make an Olympic judge do a double take. It was part of the final technical tests for the company's research model ahead of the rollout of the product version of the humanoid robot, fleets of which are planned for deployment at Hyundai and Google DeepMind. Boston Dynamics says the Atlas will be trained using new AI foundation models for a wide variety of industrial tasks. It wasn't all flawless, fancy footwork, though. They also included a hilarious blooper reel showing the many misfires and not-so-smooth moves that happen behind the scenes on the road to robotic refinement. Speaking of bots that don't always stick the landing, an Amazon delivery drone had a rough aerial approach when it reportedly crashed near a Richardson, Texas apartment building, raining down debris before plummeting to the ground. The cause of the crash is unclear, but no injuries were reported, and Amazon said the building, quote, sustained minimal damage and it's arranging repairs. It also apologized for any inconvenience. To be fair, good old-fashioned deliveries have their problems too, like pilfering porch pirates, or, in the case of this video from Oklahoma, pooch porch pirates. In the video shared by the Oklahoma City PD, a pair of sticky-pawed pups are seen sniffing, then snatching a homeowner's package from their doorstep. But according to the department, what the pair was likely hoping were kibbles and bits turned out instead to be drill bits, seen here abandoned amongst the package's tattered remains. For Take a Look at This, I'm Jeremy Roth.